Most people choose between InboxDollars and Survey Junkie without really understanding how they earn money. Then they get stuck on low payouts and wonder why they are not making much. Here's the truth no one tells you. The difference between these two platforms in 2026 is not just about which pays more, but how they pay you and how fast you can actually reach cash out. In this video, you'll learn a clear comparison of InboxDollars and Survey Junkie, which one pays more in real usage, and which one is better for beginners trying to earn online. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about InboxDollars. This platform gives you multiple ways to earn. You can do surveys, watch videos, complete offers, and even earn cashback. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because of all these options, InboxDollars has more earning variety, but not all tasks are equally valuable. Users like Alex from Texas or Priya from India often find that InboxDollars can help them earn faster if they focus on high-paying offers. But if they stick only to videos or low-value tasks, earnings feel slow. Now let's look at Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is more focused. It is almost entirely built around surveys. That means the earning system is simpler and more predictable. You complete surveys, earn points, and convert them into cash. But here's the problem. While Survey Junkie is more consistent, it does not offer extra earning methods like videos or offers. So your income depends heavily on survey availability and qualification rates. Now, let's compare payouts. InboxDollars often requires a higher minimum threshold before cashing out, but it gives multiple ways to reach it. Survey Junkie usually has a lower minimum payout, which makes it easier to withdraw faster once you qualify for enough surveys. Now here's the real difference most users miss. InboxDollars is better for users who want variety and higher earning potential through offers. Survey Junkie is better for users who want simple, predictable survey-based income without distractions. So, which one actually pays more? In real-world usage, InboxDollars can pay more if you actively use offers and high-value tasks. Survey Junkie pays more consistently per survey, but limits your total earnings ceiling. If you are someone like Jake who likes exploring different tasks and maximizing bonuses, InboxDollars may give you more overall earnings. But if you are someone who just wants quick surveys without complexity, Survey Junkie feels easier and more stable. So to summarize clearly, InboxDollars offers higher earning potential but requires strategy, while Survey Junkie offers simpler and more consistent survey income. The key takeaway is simple. The better platform depends on how you work, not just how much they advertise. If this helped you understand the real difference between InboxDollars and Survey Junkie in 2026, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest earning app comparisons.